everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Kelsley Nicole if this is your first time here. And before we get into today's product review, whatever you want to call it, I just wanted to share what has been like heavy on my heart, what's getting under my skin. Unless you live on under a rock, I'm sure most of you are seeing what's happening within our nation. And I just want to say, if you can sit and in your heart agree and say, yes, this nation has an issue of systemic racism. Yes, black people are discriminated against. Yes, there's a ton of police brutality specifically directed at the black community. If you watch that video of George Floyd and you were shattered and heartbroken and you think that this is an issue, then I urge you, in moments when you see on the news what they're reporting about the protest, rioting, looting, before you jump to your opinion and your thoughts on that, really ask yourself, am I actively contributing to a solution? Because if in your heart you can see that what's happening, I'm not talking about the rioting, looting, protesting, systemic racism, police brutality within the black community, all of it, discrimination, and discriminating on jobs, housing, all of that. If you can say that's an issue, then that's where I think the focus and the energy should be. It should be in asking, like, what can you or I do at home, in our communities, in our neighborhoods, on our jobs, not letting the looting and the rioting kind of distract you from what the real bigger issue is. You can have an opinion, that's fine, but I think it really should be, I'm going to put my energy, my focus into taking down the beast that is systemic racism and discrimination against black people in this country. That's where I think the focus should be. And it's like a heart check. It's like, okay, yeah, I'm getting ready to argue with somebody online about the looting and the rioting and the protesting, but like, am I doing anything to help the overarching issue that is here? It's not just justice for George Floyd. There are tons upon tons upon tons of issues just like that one. And if you're new and this is new to you, do your homework. So that's just my kind of opinion. You know, start at home. There's so many small steps that can be taken in your community to fight this. And I think that should be the goal. One of the ways that you can fight it, besides donating and signing petitions, which is also in my description box below, is supporting black-owned businesses. And I am here to share, yet again, one of my favorites, which is Mielle Organics, and their new collection that they just dropped, which I am going to give you all the deeds and show you how it worked for my hair. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I've washed my hair, and I used the Mielle Organics Babasu mint oil something. I have here the mask. This is the rice water clay mask, and this also can be used on your body, which I think is really cool. It's another reason why I got it, because even if it doesn't work for my hair, it'll work for my body. It says apply to damp hair from root to tip, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, and cover with a plastic cap and then rinse. So it didn't really say if it was, I think it's supposed to go after shampooing, but what it's designed to do is detoxify your hair, remove impurities, and put moisture back. Not really sure if this is supposed to go before shampooing, but it's going on now. On from anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go right around the in-between to about 20-ish minutes or so, and then I'll come back, rinse it off, and tell you how my hair feels. Okay guys, so I just removed the mask, and right off the bat what I can tell is that my hair feels very soft. I still have definition here. It's not frizzy and dry. I was a little concerned because it is a detoxifying mask, and I know that has you know, those type of masks have a tendency to strip oil. Even though it said it's gonna keep the moisture, I was a little skeptical, but from like one use, I can definitely say that it's not stripping my hair. My hair still feels soft. And I know that over time, as I use it, I'll start to see more of the benefits, but like right off the bat, my hair feels good. So the next thing I am using is the moisturizing milk. And this can be used as a daily moisturizer, but I'm gonna use it as like the cream for my twist out. It has safflower oil, rice water, yuzu, castor oil, coconut oil, and it's really good for hydration and styling. So that's what I'll be using here. Taking my twist out, guys, and I can honestly say this collection is so far so great. My hair feels super soft. It's very defined, and the thing is, like, I don't think that cream said anything about like defining my hair, so that's even better. It's very, 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 very soft, like very just like soft to the touch, but not like heavy. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of product on my hair, but it feels moisturized. So I really, really, really like that. I think out of all of the 4 of the products right now, I'm really loving the milk. I think that's just the best review I can give you, because I think with the other ones, it's going to take time for me to be able to kind of say like how it's working for my hair, and I'll definitely come back and update you on those. But if you are considering getting this collection, definitely get it. It's wonderful. I believe it was sold out the last time I checked, but I know they're going to replenish it, and I have nothing but great things to say about Mielle Organics. They always come through for me. So I'm really excited to add this into my closet collection. Again, I got the rice water moisturizing milk, the rice water clay mask, the shine mist, and I got the split end therapy. And if there is a product line that you've seen that you would like to kind of know how it is, let me know in the comments below. I'm always down to try something new and kind of give you guys my perspective or review before you purchase it. Thank you again for stopping by my channel, and I will see you in the next video.